sink. Good. Breathe out. That's good. Go ahead and bend your top leg. Let's get your forward. Okay. And then we're gonna pull this like this, and then this forward just a little bit too. And turn your head so you're facing straight that way. Okay, so for this adjustment, this is how we adjust the low back, okay? What I'm gonna do is we're just gonna kind of like bring your hips down like this, and then we're gonna push in that direction like that. Is that tender? Okay. Okay, now nice and relaxed here. Let your shoulders relax. You're doing great. Good, breathe in through your nose. Good, shoulders let go. Oh, that's perfect. Put your forward just a little bit. Perfect, and then this forward just a little bit too. Okay, so same thing for this adjustment, okay? All right, nice and gentle breathing. We're gonna adjust the lumbar here on this side. Take a nice soft breath in and out. Good, let this relax here. Just kind of sink in. Good, just like that. Bang your back. Okay, so breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good, let your head drop.
Oh my God. Whoa. Wow.
Okay, one more time, deep breath in and out. Good, and just sink in, let it go.
Oh.
Perfect. All right. All right, we're gonna scoot you forward just a little bit, and then this one forward just a little bit. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna follow your breath, and as you breathe out, we're just gonna stretch. Your shoulders are gonna come up this way, and your hips this way, and then we'll give a little push, okay? All right, take a nice soft breath in, and out through your mouth. Good, gentle, gentle. Good. And your back. Ooh. Okay. Okay, we're gonna bring this down here and give it a little push, okay? Deep breath in through your nose and out. Good, shoulders relaxed. Good, we're gonna bring this down a little further.
Oh. That's why it was much more successful.
Out. Good, sinking in. Let your shoulders relax a little bit more. Good.
Oh yeah.
Lay your back. Breathe softly in and out.
Wow. No, that wasn't bad. That felt good. That was scary.
Okay, so we're gonna bring it over to the side again, and then let your head just drop into my hands. Good. Good, let it go.
Oh my goodness.
So for this one, we're gonna bring it down a little bit further to like right about here, okay? And then we'll push like that. So let your head drop into the table. Good. Nice and gentle. Let me go ahead and breathe in through your nose, not through your mouth. Good.
Oh my God. That was intense.
Okay, so we're just gonna give it a test here. I'm just gonna pull it down like this. Any pain? Okay, good. We're gonna bring it back. Bring your shoulders, pull your shoulders back. Good. Okay, now relax. Good. Good.
Good. Alright, so we're going to start up top here between that cervical thoracic junction here. Good. Drop down just a little bit on that right side here. Good. Let me have you take a deep breath in and out. One more time, deep breath in and out. Good. Okay, so we're going to rotate you this way. Look over the shoulder for me. Good.
Sorry.
Good, no, you're good. Alright, we got a little bit lower on that left side. Rotate you, look over the shoulder, please. There we go.
Sorry, stop to do.
You're good, I gotcha. Right there, perfect. Good. And we're going to have you flip to the other side. Good. Good. And lay flat on your back. Relax your leg, okay? There we go. Going up. And my head. Good. There we go. Let me have you take a deep breath in. And exhale out. Good. There we go. And relax right there. Good. Okay.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Deep breath in and out.
Above that lower thoracic. Breathe in again.
And out. There you go. Big one. Just going to ease a few ribs off to the side here. There we go. Now we're going to come through the thoracic area. This will help quiet the sympathetic nervous system and turn on those 100 killer cells to get in there and help finish off whatever's inside your body.
Et je vais pivoter et je vais tomber sur la vertèbre.
Relax. There you go. Yeah, breathe in. Loose, chin relaxed. Beautiful. Come on over this way. This girl is styling today, man. I don't even want to like mess up the outfit, you know? Okay. Right. Lift the hips up, higher. Breathe in deep. And all the way out. Drop the hips. There you go. Yeah. Big breath in and out. You alright? That was a big one. Yeah. Let's more back to your normal self. Big breath in. Head relax. Let it go.
Every time I get nervous.
In deep. All the way out. Arms relaxed.
Oh my god. Oh, it kind of knocked the wind out of me.
It's alright. Better little tough movement now than more problems later, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Shoulders relaxed, the arms like, yeah, breathe in deep again. All the way out. Drop it. Yeah, exactly.
Dude, that sounds crazy.
That was way better. Ooh, look who's moving today. Beautiful, Ash. Come on, your right side facing me.
Yeah, get this one right.
This way, this way. And then roll to the other side, There we go, hips relaxed. Straighten that out. Okay, locking those arms here. Breathe in deep. And out. Hips relaxed, shoulders relaxed. She's tight.
Ooh. Ray?
Yo, that would be funny.
And it would get followers too.
Face up, Ash.
Like, follow my shadow.
Thank you, Ray.
Breathe in and out. Shoulders relaxed, chest relaxed. Drop.
Oh.
Wow. You could just see this whole area relax afterwards. Breathe in and out. Chin up slightly, chest relaxed, arms loose. Wow. That's amazing. Hips relaxed. Checking the motion of the sacrum. We're going to do something a little different here. You're going to lay on your side facing me, love. Okay. I'm going to bend here. This one's a little bit at the angle.